Looking to eat healthier, track your nutrition, and discover personalized recipes? Eatr, AI Healthy Meal Recipes promises to be your intelligent partner, helping you achieve your dietary goals with smart suggestions. But does this AI-powered app truly simplify healthy eating? Eatr utilizes AI to provide personalized meal plans and recipe recommendations based on your dietary preferences, goals, and available ingredients. Key features include nutrient tracking, meal logging, and a vast recipe library with easy-to-follow instructions. It's designed to make healthy eating effortless and enjoyable. For example, easily inputting your dietary restrictions and preferences, receiving a week's worth of delicious, tailored recipes, and effortlessly tracking your macros for a successful healthy eating journey is incredibly empowering. However, some users occasionally report that the AI recommendations might not always perfectly align with their taste preferences, or that the recipe database could be more extensive in certain niche diets. What's your thought?